how you can prepare for the CSIR NET during the last 15 days. We will discuss the complete plan, how you can acquire more than 100 marks and hence achieve our target to qualify the JRF. If your exam in the just 15 days away, so first of all, this is not the time to create any pen. During the last 15 days, it is also not the time you can start to read the new books, new courses, and most important is you can read the new topics. These last 15 days is not about study harder. They are all about how you can study smart. The golden formula will cover the 70% is revision, 20% is practice, and the 10% is strategy. Which thing you can avoid so that you can never lose your marks? What are the biggest mistake generally the student do before the examination in the last 15 days? And finally, I will tell you the 5 golden rules for the examination day. Are you really interested to watch my 15-day strategy? If yes, you can watch my playlist CSR UGC NET. आप इस प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हो हर वीडियो आपको 15 सेकंड शॉर्टकट ट्रिक के साथ अप्लाई करा हुआ है. You can subscribe my YouTube channel and you can write in the comment box interested to watch the video in the comment box.